Looks like this will be my new bag. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, KNKG sent me a new workout bag. Check it out the next few weeks, and I'm gonna give you all my thoughts here at the end, but let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna first open up this box over here. So I was pretty excited to get this new bag. I've had my old bag for a long time. Ooh, this is some nice packaging they have here. Pack for greatness. Cool. Opening this up. Ooh, here we go. Our mission is to help you train, explore, and push your limits. Thank you for your trusting to carry, organize, and secure all your gear. We're looking forward to a lifetime of packing for greatness with you. Awesome. And the rest of the unboxing experience. Ooh. Here we go. Here's the bag right here. Outlast trends, outwork excuses, KNKG. So this is the mud version. They also do have a black version as well, but I was looking for something a little bit more, nice to hang out with. Thank you for trusting us to carry, organize, secure your gear, and the bag itself. So nice and sturdy. You can pop this open to open this up. They have straps for a shoulder strap, of course, and into the bag itself. So they do say you can fit like a laptop in here. Not gonna be something I'm gonna be doing. A nice little package up top for you, and some little sleeves in the center right in here as well. There's a zipper in the front. Ooh, this is a nice felt right here with the KNKG in the front. So able to fit more stuff, and like little tiny pockets here, little mini pockets in between. I'm not sure what they're using. Oh, and also it's a little stretchy. So if you got some bigger things, be able to fit there. Nothing on the back. On the side is another package here on the side, which is nice. It's a deep guy. And over here again on the side, an even bigger package. I believe this is what should be fitting your shoes. I am gonna need a shoe compartment, as I do usually pack an extra pair of shoes when I work out, but I'm gonna be transferring everything over in a second, see how it all fits. But overall, I do like the look of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab all my stuff from my other bag, and I'll show you what that's all about in a sec. As a size reference, this is my old King Kong bag. Has a strap, some things here for water bottles. Ooh, that's a good point. Hopefully there's a spot for water bottles there. They have two compartments here on the sides for shoes. As you can tell, this is a little bit taller, or this is a little bit wider. I'm gonna take everything out and show you what's moving in. All right, now you're gonna be checking in with me in real time how I'm gonna move all this stuff over into the bag. First thing is gonna be my lifting shoes. I typically keep these around for either Olympic lifting or squats, but I feel like this side spot is gonna work perfect for that. And yeah, fits pretty darn good. Snug as a bug in a rug. Then from there, now going in kind of the main compartment, gotta make sure, oh, there that goes. I got a nice and strong belt. It's gonna fit in real easy. I keep my pre-workout with me. I'm not even a big fan. This isn't even a sponsorship. People ask me why I use this. Only reason is they have a scoop that is right there. You don't gotta go fiddling for a scoop. Maybe I'll be affiliated sooner or later, but I'd recommend this just because of that pure convenience. I have some grips as well. Not exactly where I'm gonna put those. Knee sleeves. I'll probably just put it in this little comfy spot right there. I also have something for rope climbs. I'm a big fan of this guy as well. I'll try to be posting stuff down below, but if you always forget like a workout sock or your rope climbs, this is great. You don't even have to think about it too much. Of course, just a little band. I can put that in there as well. I have like a, not really a speed rope. This is more for crossovers. Haven't been good at them at all, but I'm gonna put it into that pouch too. I do not know what happened to my sleeve for my RPM rope. Big fan of the RPM rope, but I think I'm just gonna be tucking that up here in the front. Ooh, I think I finally found a spot for the water bottle. This is why this might be so stretchy. Does this fit a water bottle? Awesome. Of course, that means 2 water bottles if needed. This can toss in as well. I usually just have a USB on hand just in case. I don't really need it. Some workout tape. I mean, there's just so much space in here. Oh, and I usually keep one of these Tupperwares just in case I need protein. I usually have this filled with a scoop. That can also fit up here in the top. So that is always ready to go. And let's go ahead and get this strap all set up. So a very sturdy mechanism right here. So this is some pretty thick metal that also rotates. That'll be awesome. Clicks right in as expected. And then as far as it looks, tossing it right over the shoulders. So pretty nice. It feels nice, which is awesome. But I'm gonna go ahead and use it for the next little bit, and I'll get back to you with all my thoughts. All right, so it's been a week and I have some thoughts. First and foremost, its more slim factor is a lot better when like getting in and out of cars and going through like smaller corridors, and all that is a big plus for me. Typically putting my keys, I wasn't really that concerned with using that. I didn't really use all the space. There's also something that I found. You can add your weight belt to kind of go in between and underneath if you need to. I didn't end up needing to. Maybe at some point I would, but that is also a plus. But overall, quite simply, this is my new daily carrier bag. Maybe I could have went with the backpack, but I am a big fan of just options. Got all the compartments I'm gonna need for absolutely anything. The water resistant packages, I think I'm gonna keep away from like my knee sleeves being in something along those lines, but they do say it's like water resistant and all of that. But if you were looking for a great quality bag, actually turned some heads. I had a couple people at the gym ask me about it. This is definitely something I would consider if you have the money for it. I will be linking that stuff down below. But if you have any questions about anything along those lines, anything you would like me to review, I would love to do it. Other than that, hopefully you enjoyed this. Hit that like button if you really enjoyed it, and make sure you're subscribed if you want to see my newest videos coming up. But other than that, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.